sometimes you might be asked a question, what is half of 10? Now a lot of students will say, well, that's obvious, it's 5. Stupid question, sir. And I agree, it was an easy question, and you're right, it's 5. But there's no way an examiner is going to be that generous with you. I mean, you know, we can all dream. So they're more likely to ask you something like this. What is what is 3/4 of 100? So you say, well, that might be a tricky one. When you do this type of thing, this is what you do. There's 2 rules and you follow them. 1, you times by top number. What do I mean by that? Well, you do 3 times 100 equals 300, and then you divide by the bottom number, which is a 4. So you do 300 divide by 4, which for the purpose of this is actually 75. If you didn't know division, we'll cover that in bus stop method, because bus stop method is one of these things you do need to know. But that is how you do it. Times by top, 3 times 100, divide by bottom. In fact, if we go back to the simple question for a moment, and your answer there, that is your answer. The 75, that is. If we go back to the simple question, and we went back to what is half of 10, the rules are still the same. Times by top, 1 times 10 equals 10. Divide by bottom, 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Answer there. Done. When I say divide by bottom, what I obviously mean is I take my existing answer here and I bring it into the second line and then divide by my bottom number there, just to reiterate the point. That's what we mean by fractions of amounts. That's it. Finished.